Ali's looking to become the second man in the history of the heavyweight ranks to regain his title. He's looking very impressive at this point. He's looking fantastic right now. He's laying on the ropes while everybody's telling him to get off the ropes, but I think he's resting. I think he knows Foreman is basically spent and tired. I think he's going to try to take it as far as he can and then try to knock him out. Here we go, the bell sounds, round number 8. At age 32, Muhammad Ali is bouncing around pretty good. The 24-year-old Foreman is hanging pretty tough in there. 30 seconds left in round 8. That's it. The fight is done. Muhammad Ali has won. Muhammad Ali has won by a knockout. By a knockout.